Okay, I'm trying out my new spray nozzle hooked up to my pressure washer. Whew. Can you see it?
Wow.
So I'm going to try this in my gutters. My gutters have been overflowing. So I'm going to go try. I cleaned out the leaves, but there's still a lot of dirt in there. So I'm going to now clean them out with that. I'm going to feed this down my gutter. I got out most of the leaves, but there's tons of old shingle debris in here. So what I'm going to do now is just feed this down. It's hard to do one-handed. It just goes down under all the brackets. So let's try it that far. See how it works. Now I'm going to pull it toward me. And that spray is pushing all that dirt toward me. So I don't have to climb on the roof. Here comes all the dirt. I'm going to have to bail out with the camera here. Oh, that's it. Okay, I put it 30 feet away. Oh, I pushed the hose this all the way down. Now I'm going to pull it back. It should completely clean the entire gutter without me even having to take one step on the roof. I just got the new metal roof, and this is all the old shingle dust that used to clog the gutters. Oh, this is fantastic. Here it comes. Okay, Jenny. That worked fantastic. The gutter looks beautiful. All right, so this is not for the faint of heart. My sunglasses are soaked, and look at my shirt. It's all that old shingle stuff. Wow. So you will get dirty doing this job, but it's doing a great job on the gutters so far. Okay, those two gutters go down under my cement pad right there and out to this drain. And this is a pop-up drain. The way it works is when water comes, this pops up and lets it out. Now, it's pretty full, and it's stuffed full of those shingle pieces, so I'm going to now flush that out, going from this way in. Let's try it. Okay, we're going to flush this out now, a little at a time. Okay, go ahead. we go. Hit something. There's a lot of dirt coming out.
It is clear that pushing from this one direction, I keep hitting something at, just before the cement pad, some kind of clog. So I think I'll have to do a little more investigation, maybe coming from the other end.
Okay, we're going to try it this way. It wants to pull itself through.
Well, snaking the issue from this end, I hit the same clog about the same spot, just beyond the cement pad, which is a good thing. But I guess I'll have to start doing some digging to see if I can find out where the clog is.
Well, I found out what my clog was that I couldn't get my washer through. Look at this piece of pipe. Completely blocked. So, there's no way I'm getting my washer through there. So now that's causing me to do some complete repiping of the gutter drain. Okay, now we come out of these two downspouts under the cement, come out here and continue on all the way down. And you can see some of the water still flowing. So that's my new drain for my gutters. Well, the gutters are all cleaned, put back together, and the new drain pipe is all installed. And I'm ready for the first rainstorm to test it all out. But so far, with all our testing with the hose, it's worked fantastic. I think my overflowing gutter problem is now a thing of the past. Success.